Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in this session we are going to discuss about how to convert from prefix to postfix conversion. Okay, so the logics and the simple tricks which I am going to tell you for these types of conversion is also very helpful if they have asked the same question as postfix to prefix conversion. Okay, so in the previous videos, we discussed about three types of conversions, isn't it? So, prefix, postfix and infix conversion. So, if you see, the infix conversion is going to be a basis for prefix and postfix conversion. Okay, then another thing, if you see the representation of infix expression, that is the format that we use in a regular way. Okay, so we are using these types of extra, that is prefix or postfix conversion, in order to make the algorithm of any type of programming languages or softwares to do the mathematical operations or logical operations or whatever operations that we are taking into consideration in an efficient manner, isn't it? So for that purpose only we are using, isn't it? So suppose if we want to know the infix expression of these two, we will be using the different types of conversions which I have explained it to you in the previous videos. Suppose if they have given you this prefix and postfix conversion without telling you the basic format of infix expression, how you will convert it? Okay, so that I am going to explain it to you. Friends, there are a simple trick to solve this question. Okay, so those tricks which we are going to use now is same as that of we are using it in the last videos. Okay, so the trick you see, as I told, infix is a mediator or it is a basic format of any type of prefix and postfix expression that we are going to use it here as a tool. Okay, so how we will be converting is, see, prefix to, first you should have to convert if they have given you a prefix expression as an infix expression. Okay, because this is your mediator for these two expressions, isn't it? So suppose if they have asked you a question of converting from prefix to postfix expression, so what you should have to do is take the given expression, that is a prefix expression, first convert it into an infix expression. Okay, so once you have got the infix expression, see, this is the first trick. So after you have got the infix expression, what you should have to do is you are going to convert that infix expression into a postfix expression, because in all types of regular conversions, if you see, they would have asked direct conversion, that is prefix to infix or infix to prefix or postfix to infix. So like this only they would have asked, isn't it? Suppose in case if they asked you to find these types of conversions, you should have to take the mediator or the middle member as your infix expression, because this is the standard format of expressions, isn't it? So once you know the standard format, you can easily convert it into the remaining expressions. Okay, so you apply prefix to infix first conversion and then from infix to postfix. So this is the second way of solving it. Okay friend, so this is the simple trick. Okay, suppose if they ask these types of conversions or vice versa, first thing you should have to do is convert it into an infix and then from infix to any other conversions what they have mentioned. Okay friends, so now we are going to take up a simple problem and we are going to apply this conversion. Okay friends, are you all clear? Okay. Friends, I have given you all the conversion types in the previous videos. If there are new viewers who are watching my channel, I request you to watch all those channels and then come here. Then only you will be able to understand. Okay friends, so shall we directly go for conversion without making any delay? Right. So this is a given example. So the given example is a postfix expression. So I want to convert it into a prefix expression. So what I should do? this is the method or the rule I should have to follow. So first convert the given postfix into infix and then infix to prefix. Isn't it very simple, no? So now shall we start to solve? Okay, so now the first thing is I should have to find the respective infix expression. Okay, so this is a postfix, isn't it? So what is a rule I have said already to apply in postfix expression in order to find the respective infix expression? So the rule 1 is I must have to start from left if the given expression is a postfix. Okay, so start searching for the operator from left. Okay, so once you have found the operator, stop the search. The next rule is you are going to shift to the right of the nearest operand. This is the rule, isn't it? So I have explained it to you in the older videos, friends. Please watch it and then you can come back, right? So now you see, I want to start from the left. So this is my left, isn't it? So start from here. Okay, so I am going to start to search for the operator. So the operator is dollar. This is the first operator. So I want to shift it here, isn't it? So now you see, you will get as A, B, C, D, $E. So this is your first expression, that is operand I have got. Write the remaining as it is. Okay, so now once again you start from left and find for the next operator. This is your asterisk, the next operator. So stop searching. Now I want to move this to the right of this operand. Isn't it? That is the nearest operand is $E. So now you write. You will get as A, B, right here asterisk C. This is your another expression which I have got. Then D, $E. Then the remaining operator is slash and then minus. Okay, so next is once again you start a search from left. So if you start a search, you will be having this slash as your next operator. So you are going to shift towards the left, right. That is start searching from left, shift to right. Start searching from left, shift to right because it is the postfix to infix conversion. Suppose if it is prefix to infix, already I told, remember that sound, pre-right. So start to search from right, shift to left. Okay, so now you shift it. So A, B, asterisk C, then the operator is going to come here slash, then D, $E. Isn't it? So now this is your one complete expression. Then minus is the remaining operator, isn't it? So now where you must have to shift this minus operator, you should have to shift it here. So here you are going to shift it. Okay, you will get the answer as, wait friends, so you will be getting the answer as A minus B asterisk C slash D $E, and that's it. Okay friends, so this is your given infix expression. So now you should have to take this infix expression and what they have asked you to convert. They have asked you to convert into prefix. So take this and convert it into prefix. Isn't it easy for you? Okay, shall we convert? Right. So friends, this is your infix expression. I am going to convert it into a prefix. So what is the format of prefix expression? So the operator is going to precede that of the operands, isn't it? So based on that, we are going to apply the rules, associativity, all those things, and we are going to convert it. Okay, so now this is your infix expression. Start from left, that is your default way or direction of solving. So start from left. Okay, so when you start from left, you can remove this bracket also. Because we have converted, isn't it? So there is no need of putting this bracket. Okay, so shall we proceed? So now start from left because this is your default way of direction for solving the infix expression, isn't it? So now what is the first rule? You should have to take the parenthesis, remove that and then make the conversion, isn't it? So if you see the expression, you have 3 open and closed parentheses, isn't it? So now, which parenthesis you should have to take first? So this is the parenthesis you should have to take. So take this and apply the conversion. So A minus, so what you will get, B asterisk C will be converted as asterisk BC. So asterisk B and C. This is your first operand which I have got now. So next one, we can convert this. So D $E is another expression present in the parenthesis. If you convert this, you will get as $DE, isn't it? So write as $D and E. Once you have converted, you can remove the brackets, isn't it? No need, isn't it? So I have removed it. So now the next one, A minus. So next we should have to solve this parenthesis, isn't it? So now if you see, this is your operand 1, this is your operand 2 and slash is your operator. So now you convert this. How you will convert into prefix? So slash operand 1 and operand 2, isn't it? So like this only it will come. So now if you solve A minus slash star BC and then $D. So now if you see, this is a complete operand. Okay friends, now this is your complete operand. Next, we will go for the next step. So the next step is, I think so this is the last step for converting. So A is your operand, isn't it? So minus is your operator. So this one is your next operand, that is this operand 1 and this is your operand 2. So shall we directly convert it? Okay, if you convert this, you will get as minus A slash asterisk B C $D and E. Okay friends, so this is your respective expression. So friends, this is the way of solving if they given you an indirect conversion of postfix to prefix or prefix to postfix. Okay, so any type of conversion if they asked you, you should have to do only this way. I think this will be very easy for you for understanding friends. Okay, so thank you for watching. So if there is any feedback, you can give it to me in the comment section. I am there for rectifying it, and I also request you to share, subscribe and link my channel friends. Bye and thank you.